Good morning, friends. So I've had a few inquiries whether or not Lollapalooza 2020 is going to happen. So I wanted to do a really quick video and just kind of update you on what's going on with that.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
So something I am sick and tired of hearing, and I'm sure you are too, is during these uncertain times, but that kind of sums it up. I really don't know exactly what's going to happen with Lollapalooza at this point. Right now, the Texas state parks are only taking reservations through September 7th. That makes no sense to me because this is the season when it's too hot to camp in Texas. So I don't know. I don't know if they're going to open up reservations for October, and I don't know if they're going to allow groups. It's just a waiting game to see what's going to happen. If they do announce that they're going to open up reservations for October, I will let you guys know as soon as I find out, and we can all hop over and hopefully make reservations. So this is kind of what this video is kind of a save the date video, if you will. Lollapalooza is held the weekend before Halloween each year. It's a Thursday, Friday, Saturday night kind of a thing. So it would be, I think, October 22nd this year, if we get to have it during the regularly scheduled programming. If not, then maybe we can do some sort of a winter meetup or something. I don't know who would be interested in doing that. Basically, though, I'm playing the rest of 2020 completely by ear. But something tells me after November 4th, either everything will open back up or it won't, just depending. I don't know why I think November 4th will be that magic day. That's my guess. Anyway, just wanted to update you guys. Sorry I don't have more definitive answers. That's just kind of what I've been doing for this 2020 so far, is going like this and going like this. Anyway, so just stay tuned to my channel for updates as they come about. And if you're not subscribed to my channel and you want more information on Lollapalooza, just click the subscribe button down below and you'll get notifications when I put out another video. Just look for Lollapalooza in the title. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. I really hope I get to see you in October, but if not, then hopefully I will see you sometime down the road. Y'all, stay lost, my friends.